Maleficent Horn DIY using cardboard. Hello guys, welcome back to JetCraft. So today we will be making this horn of Maleficent because my wife requested this for her book parade in the school. Okay, so how to get the pattern? So to get the pattern, let's go to jetcrafts.com. If this doesn't work, please turn on any VPN and then click this one, first post, and then scroll down and find the download button pattern. Click that and then it will open Mediafire. Again, if this doesn't work, please turn on any VPN. Okay, then wait for it to download and then open this zip file. Sorry, my voice is a bit drowsy because I'm a bit sick right now. And then let's open this PDF file. You have two options here, and we will be using the 7 inches from forehead to back head. You can use the larger one if this doesn't fit your head, okay? And then let's print out the pattern. And let's make sure that the paper size is letter size. Okay, this one, and then let's print the pattern. Here's the pattern. Then let's continue on building the 4 pages together. Let's start by cutting this edge. Okay, then after that, take the other page and then add a glue on the side like this. And then put the other pattern on top of that. This took like 2 hours to make, including the painting. Okay, so after we took that edge off, and then we need to paste it again to make this big pattern. Okay, and then let's cut out the pattern so we can trim the patterns easily once you cut off that. Okay, now you need to trim the pattern and remove the white. Okay, and you left with this pattern. And now let's grab our cardboard and let's start tracing the patterns on the cardboard by using a marker. Okay, and then after that, you need to flip the pattern. Okay, and then you need to trace it again. This one will be for the right side of the horn. Okay, then let's cut it out using a cutter. Be careful when using a cutter, you might cut yourself, so you might need a adult to supervise you or guide you when cutting cardboard using a sharp object. Okay, so be careful when cutting using a cutter. Okay, and then after that, I continue on with the other patterns and then make 2 copies. The one is mirrored and then cut it out. Okay, and then after that, the last pattern, also the original and the mirrored pattern. Okay, now let's start gluing this together. So my tip for this is to maintain the heat of the glue. So you will see on the video that the red light on the glue gun will turn off because I need to turn it off to maintain the heat of the glue. Because if the heat of the gun is in medium or lower than medium, the glue will I don't know, like dry easily. Because if it's too hot, the glue will take longer to settle in, so you need to maintain it a medium heat or lower than medium heat. And then also the advantage of medium heat, you can touch the glue, so still be careful if you're not, I don't know, like a veteran, like not really a veteran, but if you're like me, I've been touching glue like since I make this channel. So still be careful because glue still hot and it might cause burn on your hands. Okay, but this is what I usually do, so I'm very veteran when using a glue because as you can see, I've been touching the glue when I applied it. So, but be careful, okay guys. Might get burned, but still, this is just a tip. Be careful when using a hot glue gun. So, okay, just follow this. The pattern that I'm putting in together. Then after that, let's continue on to the head cap. Okay, now that all the patterns have been made, let's put them on together in one piece. Okay, let's start with the horn, like this. So this is the front. As you can see, there's a triangle on the horn. This will be on the front. And then let's start rotating it and then gluing it by piece or by edge. And then it doesn't need to be perfect, but you can else try just put it on the right angle. Okay, still be careful because this part is a bit hard because you need to put it in the right position, but else we need I have a solution for this, so just stay tuned and watch until the first horn has been installed or put on the headdress. Okay, Okay, it doesn't need to be perfect, but you might still need to align it perfectly. And then after that, I put on the other side of the horn like this. Okay, now we have the horn fixed on the headdress. Okay, now we will move on to reinforcing the horn to the headdress. Okay, so if we take a piece of cardboard and then peel out the paper like on its side, and then we will use this to reinforce the horn on the headdress by gluing it in the middle of the horn and then in the headdress. Okay, then let's continue putting it around the horn like this. So this will help it reinforce, like when you put it on something, like you hit it on a, I don't know, like when you're walking and then you hit your head, the horn will still be intact by this strategy or by this tip. Okay, I don't know, man, like my English is a bit uneducated but I can still explain it. I don't know, like Tagalog is like my first word, and then if I could say Tagalog like even more, it's more easy, but I want to teach other people who doesn't understand Tagalog, so that's why I maintain the Taglish English word for all. So I'm a bit sorry if my English is bad, but this is all I can do to teach you in the range of my English knowledge. Okay, and then I decided to open the back because it doesn't fit the head of my wife, and then I started opening the back. This is optional. If you use the larger pattern, maybe it can fit you without opening this back. Okay, so my original idea was to put a garter on the back so it can go back when you stretch it. Okay, so here's the garter, which is my original idea. Okay, so this is just optional. You can do whatever you want just to make it fit on your head. You can add, you can cut. Okay, so I gave it to my wife and she painted it black. Because it is black, you need to make it black in there. Here's the result. She wore it on the book parade, and then she won the best in costume. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.